she told to her friends, no? Hey, Jerwin, no?
Oy, no, talaga.
I don't like him, no? No, nice eh. No? Because before, I dressed like karangguni. And I look so thin, like so skinny.
Ngayon mo na.
Until now, I gained 2 kilos. But after that, after she rejected me, like the MOM. The MOM rejected me thrice already. I still tried to attempt to court her again, and then still rejected.
Finally!
But then,
So did you change the strategy? Did you find out that wrong and then, what you do like the next time?
I just stick to my strategy, but my strategy very not nice, not effective.
So perseverance eventually won.
Yeah. After
I don't give up.
After 5 years,
5 years?
2008, because year 2004, I got my girlfriend also. Yeah, but she's not blind. We've been, then when we broke up, and then Grace also had her boyfriend, and then
You know your title is productivity at work. Just kidding.
and then we broke up. She broke up with her boyfriend, and then I broke up with my girlfriend at the same time. And then I came back to her, no. And then she told me, wow, still like me, ah. So that was December 14, 2008, when she finally made the decision that I think for 2 weeks she regret. No, just kidding. But we stayed until today. Finish already. We've been through so many ups and downs for our relationship, and I think it's normal for like us that to have like problems and some LQ. And then last 2009, when I left her to try my opportunities in Singapore. At first, she did not like it to be left alone because it's so far away. But eventually, she agreed, and then I stayed here for 4 months. I failed, no, at the first time, and then the second time I went here, I brought her along with me. And then we tried to look for a job. That was February 2010. And then, like the first time that I tried, we also failed, no. But after 5 months, she got her job in Farmed. Luckily. Actually, it was first applied, rejected, and then they appealed, approved already. And then she was very happy, and then I told her, yeah, I want to follow, no? And then that was June. And then July, I followed here because I really miss her. I really want to be with her. So I decided to follow her in last week of July. And then the Philippine immigration allowed me, no, to leave Philippines. But the Changi airport they never allowed me because I just came back from here in Singapore 2 months, and then they're asking, you go back again here, ah? And then I told them, yeah, because my birthday is on July 13, and then my brother wants to treat me in Universal Studios, no? And then the immigration answered me, because I stayed here for 4 months. They told me, in 4 months' time, he never treated you, he never brought you to Universal. Yeah, and then they're not convinced now with my. Then they want